In this topic, we will explore how to illustrate composing equations to represent real-world problems, especially using the formula for distance, d equals r times t. Let's understand each component of this formula. The formula, d equals r times t, consists of three variables: d, distance; r, rate speed; t, time. Each component has a specific role in solving problems related to distance. Now let's see an example. Scenario: you're planning a road trip. You want to know how long it will take to travel 120 miles at a speed of 60 miles per hour. Let's solve it together. Let's visualize our road trip scenario to find the time taken for the journey. The distance is 120 miles and the rate is 60 miles per hour. So the equation becomes, now solving for time, we rearrange the equation, plugging in the values we find. Therefore, it will take 2 hours to travel 120 miles at a speed of 60 miles per hour. When using the distance formula, keep these points in mind. 1. Always ensure units are consistent, e.g., miles and hours. 2. Don't confuse rate with time. Remember that r equals frac d. Let's avoid these pitfalls while solving problems. The formula, d equals r times t, can be applied in various scenarios. Planning fitness regimes, determining how far to run based on your pace and time. Estimating travel times for family trips based on distance and speed. Understanding these applications helps reveal the utility of equations in everyday life. To summarize, distance is calculated using the formula d equals r times t. Each component is crucial for problem solving. Be mindful of common mistakes. Remember, practice makes perfect. Thank you for exploring the practical applications of the distance formula with us. Keep practicing to master these concepts.